In this video, I'm going to tell you the best credit cards that you can apply for that you'll be approved. So stick around. Welcome back to Dollars with Dennis. My name's Dennis Dunn, and today we're going to be talking about applying for credit cards, best credit cards 2025. So, if you're applying for a credit card, what's the best credit card that you can get an approval on? All right. It's Capital One, guys. Capital One has higher approval levels than any other credit card company. So if you want to apply for a Capital One card, down below in the description, I'm going to leave you a link to Capital One where you can apply for a credit card. All right. Just do me one favor, hit the like button, and then share this video with a friend. That's all I ask. I just gave you a gem, all right, on how you can get a credit card, the best credit card, and get approval. So, like, share, and we'll see you on the next one, guys.